Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix the issue of no Wi-Fi networks found but the Wi-Fi is turned on in Windows 10. So if you click on this network icon in the taskbar and you see that the Wi-Fi is turned on but it is not showing the networks, then there are three methods that you can try out to fix this issue. So the method number one is just go to the search bar and type device manager. Just click on the search result device manager. Click on yes. Now just expand this network adapters. Now just select the wireless driver. In my system it is Intel dual band wireless AC3168. The name may be different in your system, but it will have this wireless written in its name. So just select it, right click over it and click on the option update driver. Choose this second option, browse my computer for drivers. Just click on it. Then just click on this, let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And then just select this first one, Intel dual band wireless AC3168 Intel. After this just click on the next button. And click on the close button. And now just check whether your issue is resolved or not. So this was method number 1. If method number 1 didn't work, then try out method number 2. Again, just select that wireless driver, right click over it, and this time click on the option uninstall device. Just click on the uninstall button. Do not check this option. Delete the driver software for this device. Do not check this. Just click on the uninstall button. Now the wireless driver is uninstalled and we will install it back by just clicking on this action menu and then just clicking on this option scan for hardware changes. So just wait for a few seconds. And now you can see that the Intel dual band wireless AC3168 wireless driver is now installed back. If it didn't get installed in your system, then again go back to action menu and click on the same option, scan for hardware changes. So just try it 2-3 times if it is not installing in your system. Now after the wireless driver is installed on your system, check whether your issue is resolved or not. So this was method number 2. Now if method number 2 didn't work, then just try out method number 3. Just right click over the taskbar and click on the option task manager. Click on yes. Now under the processes tab, just go down and look for Windows Explorer. So here it is, just select it, right click over it and just click on the restart option. And after restarting the Windows Explorer, just check whether your issue is resolved or not. So these were the 3 methods that you can try out to fix the issue of Wi-Fi networks not found but the Wi-Fi is turned on in Windows 10. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.